Oh my god.
If I had an ice cream cone upside down flipped on my head, would you eat it?
I would scream.
And then eat it?
I scream.
Would you eat it?
Yes, I would.
What would ice cream? What's ice cream sound make?
Get it? Because you would scream. Because it's ice cream.
Oh, can you make it like a more aggressive scream though? Like ah!
Really?
Yeah.
How aggressive?
You know what? Make me proud.
Thank you.
I'm standing up.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you flatter me too much. Thank you.
It's beautiful. That was incredible. That was beautiful.
I wanna hear your scream. Wonderful, wonderful. It's like the screams that I would hear back during my childhood.
You are so ringing.